I have common Bermuda grass. When is the best time to scalp Bermuda grass? And how much of the existing grass do you recommend be removed? And this is from Richard over in Collierville. So he has Bermuda grass. When's the best time to scalp? How do you feel about scalping Bermuda grass?
Yes, most turf grass people will tell you never to scalp it.
All right.
But there are people who do it.
Okay.
And obviously they do it with athletic fields sometimes because it will force it to knit. Okay. It'll make it, have that tight knit. So obviously on the athletic field you will want that. But I was always told you never take off more than a third of the grass, of the plant.
Right.
And that's just kind of the rule that I always use in my own yard and also at the office. Just never take off more, over a third.
Right.
That's just kind of the rule that I kind of go with.
All right, so I know a couple of guys that actually will scalp.
Okay.
They are at the beginning of the growing season. Okay, and this is pretty much, in April, the first couple of weeks in April. They do it to remove the dead grass. Actually makes a little sense, right? Because, yes, the sun will warm that soil up a little quicker, which helps that Bermuda green up quicker, okay? You don't have to do that. I don't do it in my own lawn. I have a Bermuda lawn. It seems to do fine every year without being scalped. But if you have to do it, again, of course, the first couple of weeks in April to remove the dead grass.
And I probably will fertilize it also to make it kick up and go head on and go.
Right.
After being scalped.
Right. And of course, this would be right at the, the green up transition period.
Yes.
Yeah. So again, the soil gets warmed up, the Bermuda jumps up.
Yes.
It's going to jump up anyway. It's Bermuda.
Yes, that's what it does.
It's coming anyway. Yes. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.